Hello everybody, my name is Ruben. I'm a sales support for DTS Lighting. Today I would like to introduce the Brick, the new LED architectural lighting IP65. So let me introduce some more features of this product. The Brick is an IP65 product composed of 24 LED, full RGB white, using the latest technology from Osram with a LED engine All-Star Stage N. This fixture is using an IP65 connector and IP65 XLR 5 pin. The fixture comes with an ultra narrow lens, plus in the package you can find holographic filter, 20, 40 and 60 by 10s. The installation of the holographic filter is pretty easy, so it could be done directly from the fixture and is not needed any more external accessories. It's also easy the removal of the features. The Brick has a very uniform and color mixing. The fixture is very compact. You can see that everything is inside the fixture. There is no base, no external power supply or component. Everything is in here.